Everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the choose function. The choose function is a Excel one of the advanced function. Does Excel choose function return a value from a list using a given position or the index? So choose function is an advanced function we can say of the if function. So let's see example here in the Excel. So this is my first example of the choose. Let's suppose we have some input value here. Okay. Now what is a choose function? Let's suppose I'm writing here choose, then tab. Now they're saying index number. So index number. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one. Okay. Then they're saying value. So first I write it the red, comma, then blue, then green. Okay. So according to the series, now let's suppose first is my first word is red, then second is blue, third is green. According to the index number, I selected the index number. Now see here, index number is, what is the index number in the C5 column? We have the 1. So my output will be here is a red. Okay, if I enter here, now see here, red is here. Now if I select B, second cell. Now see here in the second cell we have the 2. Now we have the blue according to the position. So according to the index number, they automatically give the values. Whatever you put it the value into the value 1, value 2, value 3. If you put it 2 here index number, they automatically pick the value 2. Okay. So this is an index function. How to index function will work according to the index number. Okay, the index number, the value of to choose a number between 1 to 254. You can put only 1 to 254 numbers. The value 1 first value which to choose, and the value 2 is a second value from which to choose is a option value. Okay, so this is a choose function. So let's suppose now I'm saying it's work like the if condition. Now we have some name here and score here. Now we have some result here, and according to the score we have some grid here. Okay, so let's suppose if if the student is achieve 0 to 50, okay, then the NI score, if 51 to 100 is good, ME score is 101 to 150, and E score is over 151. So how can this choose will work here? So we can use the if function, but if we are writing the if function, we have to write multiple times if. We have to use nested if function here. But we are seeing we have one function that called the choose. If I put the choose function here, so I'm using the choose, then index number, and in index number I'm using the BODMAS rule here. Okay, so I write it one bracket more, then this value d5 is greater than 20, my first value. Okay, then plus. Now let's suppose this value is less than 0. Okay, or greater than 0, sorry, greater than 0, then what will be here? The true is here. Okay, now second value, now they will be check the second value. If the second value is greater than or equal to 50, then they will be true, then they will be give you 1. Okay, then next value is greater than equal to 101. Okay, then next value is, select this d5 is greater than equal to 151. Okay, so now they will be checked the one by one all the conditions. Okay, if they found the true, now first the value, if first is true, then give the NI. If second is, then give the good. If third is true, then give the ME. Then if fourth is true, then give EE. Okay, now see here we have the output. Now let's see the output here with the help of the evaluate formula. I'm evaluating the formula from the formulas tab. Now see here, what will be happen here? Uh, what the choose function do? Now in the choose function, first the underline d5 is greater than 0, 180. Yes, true. Okay, now see here, true is here. d5 is greater than equal to 50. Yes, it's true. Now d5 is greater than equal to 101. Now see here, true means 1 1 plus 2 is here. Okay, now d5 is greater than equal to 182. Yes, true. Now also we have 3. Okay, now 1 1 is adding because true means 1 and 0 means false. Okay, now d5 is greater than equal to g5. True. Okay, now 4 condition is true. Now 4 condition true, that means they will be give you the one is ni, second is good, third is me, then fourth is ee. Then automatically my output is ee. Okay. Now let's suppose I'm checking the ni score. Okay. In the ni score, evaluate formula. Now see here in this evaluate formula, first value is true greater than 0. Yes, 0 true. Now else is 40 is greater than to 0. False. 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, now here is also 0 because false. All the three of them condition is false. Now first for ni, automatically my ni is here. Okay, according to the condition, they automatically give you the number. Okay, now see here, the first value is true and else three of them is 0. Then my sum is 1 0 0 0 means 1 indexing for the ni. Okay, so this is a choose function. So we are using this choose function as a if condition. Okay, and also we are using this condition, also we are using this function with the help with VLOOKUP. Okay, you can use the VLOOKUP also with the help of the choose function. Thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe my channel Shramasika Gyan. Thank you.